So Nikki, we're looking ahead to Thursday's World Cup qualifier with England. You've had perfect preparation playing Scotland earlier this month though.
Yes, the prep's gone really well. We've had a good year so far. Since the England game in October, we've been unbeaten, a draw against Ukraine and the draw with Scotland last week. So confidence is high in the group, and we're just building on everything that we're doing, taking it into the game next week.
And Jordan, from an England point of view, 1 point will guarantee your place at Canada next year. How confident are you can go to Cardiff and get that point?
Yeah, I think, with our past results, I think we're very confident at the moment, and we know Wales is going to be a tough test, so we just got to, not take them for granted, and, hopefully we can not just get the point but get the win.
And Nikki, if you win against England on Thursday, it'll keep your hopes alive of qualifying from Group 6. What's the belief like within the squad?
It's really strong. Like I said before, this year's been really good for us. The campaign as a whole has been our most successful to date, so confidence is really high. And if we can go into that final game having beaten England, then it puts us in an even better position for that second spot as well.
And in the reverse tie last October, Jordan, you got on the score sheet. You confident you could do the same again?
Hopefully I'm a part of the squad and a part of the team, and I'll definitely be looking to try and get more goals. It was obviously great to get a goal last time against Wales, and hopefully maybe it's not just me, but we can get a few goals on the score sheet.
Nikki, England have been in prolific goal scoring form in qualifying, scoring 38 goals, no less. Is that a bit of a worry as a goalkeeper?
No, it's just more of a challenge. If I can come away from that game with a clean sheet, then I know I've done my bit right. Hopefully the strikers and everyone else can do their bit, and we come away with a sneaky win.
Jordan, are you looking forward to playing in a local derby at Cardiff for the first time?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's always good to be playing all around the country anyway, and to play at Cardiff, I think it'll be massive, and I'm sure they'll get the support, and hopefully England can get the support too, and it can be a good day for women's football.
Nikki, we're looking at a record attendance for a Wales senior game on Thursday. How much of a boost will that be?
It'll be a massive boost. Some of the stadiums we played in recently, we've sold those out, so I don't think we'll have a sellout quite at Cardiff next week, but certainly to beat the record for women's football in Wales would be a great thing, and to have that crowd behind us egging us on, that would be fantastic.
And another added bonus for you is that you've got your skipper Jess Fishlock within the squad this time.
Yeah, she's back from America. We obviously missed her for the Scotland game, so she's back and she's feeling fit, so hopefully it's an added bonus.